In this video, I will be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Slack. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and there is also a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Slack executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to Slack download page, and here I will scroll down a bit because I will be using MSI for machine-wide installation, and I will be downloading the 64-bit version. So I'll click on the download link right here, and then I will go to my downloads folder and wait for the MSI file to download. And now that I have the MSI file, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to VMware Workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the installation file in a network location that is accessible to my users and computers. I will click on File Explorer, and here I will enter my file server name, SRV02. Then I will go inside of this software share, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Slack. Then I will go inside of it and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages. Then I will select a new package. I will name the package Slack. Then I will click on steps, install. Here I need to provide my installation file, so I will click on the button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server, SRV02, software share. Find a Slack folder, go inside of it, and select the MSI file. And because we're using an MSI file, we don't need to provide any more values, so I'll save the package and close the window. And now I will be deploying this package to few of my clients, and for that I will click on the package here. Then I will click on deploy once. I will select my computers by clicking on choose targets, Active Directory, and selecting computers. And I will select client 01 and client 02 that I have here. Then I will click on this button and targets appeared in this window right here. Then I will click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that's it. We can see that the deployment was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to my client 01 that I have here. And here we can see Slack desktop shortcut. I will double click on it. And it gives us the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And see you in the next one.